Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my charger. So if you didn't see in the last video, I had a broken headlight or something. It turns out it was a fuse, so they changed the fuse for free. They shipped it. They sold us the car like that, so yeah. Well, anyways, I'm going to talk about how, I don't know if I'm screwed or not. This 26 interest rate, $900 a month. Do you guys think that's worth it? I don't know. It's a freaking Charger though. It's like the Hellcat's little brother. And also it's a Hemi. Look at that. It's a Hemi. Bro, Hemis are so cool. Like, look at this. It kind of looks like a Hellcat, kind of. Not really. But, you know, Hellcats could be better. It's got a sunroof. It's got everything. I already showed you guys in my last video about my dream car at 16. You guys should watch that. So, I was thinking, I don't know, do a POV drive. Just drive around. So, show you guys how it's like, or what it's like. So, let's go. POV drive. Dodge Charger, talk about my feelings and how fucking pissed off I am that I spent so much money on a Dodge Charger and how I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Like, there's a lot of people who have expensive cars that are young, but you don't know what's like really happening in the back. Like, I'm telling you what's really happening. I'm screwed. I make like I don't make enough to pay off this car. I mean, I do, but like I won't be able to do anything. Maybe fill up on gas, that's the only thing, but nothing else. This car is actually expensive. Like, you guys will not believe how expensive it is. It's got navigation though. It's got climate controls. That's cool. So, yeah. Look both ways before driving. I don't want to step on it because my mom has a Life 360 app on my phone. And if I step on it too much, she'll yell at me and take the car away. Even though I'm paying it. Yeah. Ooh. I should take care of this thing. I know a lot of YouTubers do that, but that's probably not a good idea. It's a V8, by the way. Did I say that? It's a V8. That's actually crazy. Got climate controls. It's got everything. Like a new Charger should have. Luckily, I haven't gotten pulled over. Because I heard Chargers get pulled over really often. What are those people doing? They're just running across the street. There's literally a crosswalk over here. Couldn't you have walked over here to the crosswalk? Oh my goodness, bro. This ain't even a Hellcat. This is a funny thing. Now, if I had a Hellcat, I'd be literally bawling right now. I don't know, because I could not pay that off. It was like $1,400 a month, I'm guessing, with my dad's credit score. But I gotta pay it off because, yeah. Lil. Okay, I'll stop there, you know. Police station's right there. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble or not. Look at that. I got really bad gas mileage. Well, actually, I think that's like higher than before. It was at 9 at one point. So, it's better. earlier today, literally, so I was driving down the street, right? And some guy, I don't know if he was with DoorDash, but he had like food in his hand, like those bags with food. But he was parked on the side of the road. I wasn't even speeding. I'm usually speeding, but like that time I wasn't speeding. And that guy ended up opening his door and he almost hit my car. So I was like, I honked at him because like, bro, you almost hit my car and I almost hit your door. And then he like yelled at me. So I was pissed. Yeah, it was actually right here. Like, right there. Yeah. And then I did a burnout. The end. That was fun. POV Drive in this small town, like 20 minutes away from my town, because I don't want you guys to know where I live. So, yeah. So much fun. Wee. No? This is how bad I need a Hellcat. Oh yeah, I forgot my mom has Life 360. Should be careful. Now she's gonna know that I hard accelerated. So this car was like 32 grand, I think. And it's gonna end up being like 64 with all the interest and stuff. Please, guys, watch my videos. I need money. And I already work like 50 hours a week at Walmart. And that's not enough to pay the bills. Actually, I live with my mom, but yeah. That's a reason to go to school, kids. You'll end up living like this and it's fucked up. That's why I ain't dropping out. Or you want to see my GED? Too bad. I'm gonna get my diploma. I still don't got. I don't have a diploma actually, because I'm still in school. So yeah. Bro, the range on this thing is so bad. Like 200 miles range. Bro, what the fuck was that noise? It sounded like a Hellcat. You guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? Bro, that sounded... What was that? No. Replay that. What the hell was that? That was actually insane. You know how many girls I can pull with this? None. Bro, only guys like this car. I've literally not gotten a single girl that's not a hoe interested in this car. They'd be like, oh, nice car. Anyways, let me get back to doing what I was doing, because I don't care about your car. It's just a car. I think personality matters more than the money you have. I got no money. I ain't got no bitches, but I got a fucking RT. I don't have a Hellcat, bro. That was actually funny. thing's got Brembo brakes. You gotta know that. This is a guard. You know, Brembo brakes, those things are expensive. I don't know anyone who has Brembo brakes like that doesn't own a Ferrari or a Charger. Actually, I know a lot of people with Brembo brakes that own like really cheap cars because they make a lot of power, and Brembos are good. Yeah, Brembo brakes. Anyways, we're here. Soccer field. Shit, my Brembo brakes are squeaking again. These are brand new, so I think that's why. Because the dealership looked them over. They said we'll do it. I got the paper here somewhere. Actually, I don't got the paper here somewhere. Oh, well, no. You guys don't believe me about Brembos? Can't see that. Gotta turn on the light. Yeah, Brembo right there. I got some more Brembo over here. Why am I talking with an accent right now? Yeah. Why am I talking with an accent? No. Why am I talking with an accent? I was born and raised, and I also grew up in a middle-class family. We had no money. We only had a Charger. A Charger, bro. Please, guys, subscribe. I was born in a middle-class family. Kind of like Kamala Harris. Yeah. Bro, it's actually gonna snow in a few days. It snowed a couple of days ago. I don't know how this thing... No, this thing was slipping. I don't know what I'm talking about. This thing was slipping all over the place. Got quite a bit of scratching. You can kind of see the paint. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I ceramic this thing? I think I should. Alright. Well, anyways. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this POV drive, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It's way too much money.